Hello, good evening. Hi, Potato.
Hello, teacher.
Good evening.
Sabihin
Good
ko,
evening, Potato.
sabihin daw, teacher. No!
What?
Julie.
Yeah, I miss you, Potato. It's been a while that we didn't see each other because there was a holiday, okay? There was a holiday last time. That's why we didn't meet each other, okay? So, Potato, today is we're going to do another lesson. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Are you ready? Yes, you are. So here we go, Potato. Let me share to you the screen so we can start with our activity for this evening. Okay?
Okay.
Here, Potato, I have. Okay, so we are now here at Unit 15. Potato, what is Unit 15? Please read. Do you? Potato, please read. What's Unit 15 all about? It's about, do you have?
Outside.
Okay, do you have any toys? Okay, that's our lesson for this evening. So we have
Open
here,
some books.
okay, so we have here, so Potato, we will learn some vocabulary words. So first,
Toy.
what's this? We have
Toy.
toy, okay.
Robot.
This one. What's this?
Robot.
Robot. Potato, do you have robots in the house? Do you have? Yeah. What's your favorite
No.
toy, Potato? Potato, what's your favorite toy? Robots? You like robots? Wow. You love robots.
Teddy bear.
What's this?
Teddy bear.
Teddy bear.
Doll.
What's this?
Doll.
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 Do you play doll?
No.
No.
I don't.
Ah. Okay, because dolls are only played by girls. You're not a girl.
Car.
This one. What is this?
Car.
A car. Do you have a toy car? You have a toy car?
Yeah. But
Yes.
I don't like car.
You don't like it? And how about this one? What is this? A
Puzzle.
puzzle. Do you know how to play puzzle?
So,
You know how to play puzzle?
yeah.
Yes. That's good.
Shelf.
And what is this? This is a shelf. Okay, shelf. It is where you put your things, especially your books. You put it in a shelf. Okay, Potato, let's try to look, listen, and
What's
repeat.
that?
Again?
What is that?
It's my robot.
Again?
Do you have a robot?
It's my... Okay, please read. Oh, you unmute your mic. You unmute? Okay, please read. It's my robot. Again? Do you have... Next, do you have a robot?
Do you have a robot?
No, I don't.
Answer. No. Potato, say it. No, I don't. Again?
No, I don't.
Okay. This one.
Do you have a teddy bear?
Again? Please read.
Yes.
Potato,
Do
do
you
you...
have a teddy bear? Do you have a teddy bear?
Yes, I do.
Again? Yes. Again, yes, I do. Again,
Yes, I do.
okay, this one. Let's have a structured tone potato. If you're asked, do you have a toy? You will say, yes, I do, or no, I don't. Again, yes. Again, potato. Yes, I do. No, I don't.
Yes, no, I don't.
Okay, very good. Now here, potato,
Do
let's
you
have
have
it.
a car? Yes, I do.
Did
Again,
you have a car?
what's the answer? Do you have a car? What's the answer?
Yes. No. Yes, I don't.
Yes,
I
I
do.
do. Good. This one. A potato. Let's have this one. Number one and letter B. Do you have letter A? Sorry, letter A. Do you have a doll? Again. What's the answer?
No, I
Yes, I do.
don't.
Again.
I don't like. No, I don't like. But
Uh,
I don't.
how about
I like
how?
robot and car. I like
Uh,
robot and car and cargo.
Potato, only in the given example. Letter B. Okay. Please, what's the question, letter B? Letter B. Do you have?
Do you have car?
Hmm?
Do you have a car? Do you have a door?
Again, do you
Yeah.
have you answer first. Do you have a
Yeah.
car? Again. Again,
Do you have a door?
do you have a
Do
doll?
you
What's the
have a
answer?
car?
Yes, I do. Again.
Yes, I do.
Next. Letter B. Do you have a car?
No. Yes, I do.
Okay. Yes, I do.
Wait, me. Here. So, letter I. Letter I.
Okay.
Letter I. Hello.
Okay. Potato.
Hello.
Letter C. Yeah, I can hear you.
Hello.
Potato. Hello, potato. Potato. Okay. Letter C. Please read the question. Let's make a question. Letter C. Potato. Okay. Potato.
Mimi.
Okay.
Mimi. iPhone. Mimi, it's iPhone.
Okay. It's
Mimi, it's
iPhone.
iPhone.
Yeah. It's okay. It's okay. Teacher can wait.
Hello.
Okay. Potato, can you hear me now?
Hello.
Okay. Potato,
Hello.
hello. Yeah, I can hear you. Potato, listen. Letter C.
Hello, teacher.
Hello, potato. Good evening. Okay.
Teacher.
Yes. Can you hear teacher?
Yeah.
Okay. Yes. Okay. Let's do question letter C. Letter C, potato. Do you have a robot? Again, please read. Again, potato.
Yeah.
Okay, again, you must ask the question. Do you have a robot?
Yeah.
Okay, please read. Do you
Yeah.
have a robot? Look at
Do
the
you have a robot?
what's the answer? No, I don't. Again.
I don't.
Okay, next, letter D. Letter D, do you have a puzzle? Again. Letter D. Letter D. Potato. Wait.